Hello, good evening. Okay now. Early pa pala. 5 something only. Hello po. So, good evening. We're having a bilisip ko having a early dinner here at the Margaret Drive. Okay? Continue our this evening. After, we have a dinner here. We're having a mini steamboat. Mini steamboat. At the Margaret Drive Market Food Court. Okay? Yan. January 13. January 13, 2026. Okay? January 13, 2026. Then the happy dinner. Lahat ng goods. Okay? Enjoy. Singapore. Okay? This is there. KFK food court store. Okay? Enjoy Singapore. This is simple. This is simple. 74 years old. Singaporean like tayo. Okay? Enjoy Singapore. And the happy. We are using partially voucher. Okay? And a little cash. Voucher. Enjoy. Our voucher is running out. Enjoy Singapore.